Scorpio.
I aim to please.
Good! You're worth every penny. Now, get that last satellite, my friend. Hurry, Scorpio. They have initiated the countdown sequence. You have only 10 minutes until launch. Very good, Scorpio. All of the satellites are gone, and that imbecile president will... What? What is this? Classes! They have a hidden fourth satellite, and the lift-off sequence has already been initiated. You have to destroy that rocket in midair. Find a plane, quickly, in the hangar. Hurry, Serdadu.
Destroyed midair? That's a little easy, no?
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
It's gaining altitude fast. Hurry, Scorpion.
What do you think I'm doing?
Ah, the sweet taste of victory. You have done a great favor to the Ulas this day, Scorpion.
Yeah, yeah.
Classes, they have a hidden fourth satellite.